In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can activate your Mint Mobile eSIM. So first of all, ensure that your phone support eSIM and is unlocked. Then you need to make sure to download the Mint Mobile application on your iOS or Android. Then you need to simply purchase the eSIM by simply selecting the eSIM, which is going to be digital delivery, and then you just need to purchase your particular SIM. Now once you have purchased the SIM, you will gonna receive a 11-digit ACD code that is sent on your email address. So you need to simply start by tapping on activate your eSIM. Then you need to input the 11-digit code. As I said, it is going to be received on your email address. Then you need to choose the number option. You can decide whether to keep your number or to get a new one, depending on you which one suits you best. Then you need to enter your personal information and then tap activate card and wait for the process to complete. It might take at least 5 minutes depending on the location that you are in right now, and then you need to simply click on install eSIM after activating it. Now you will be redirected to settings like this if you are on iPhone, which you can simply click on allow on the activation prompt and continue with the activation. Now it might take few minutes to activate your eSIM. Then you need to follow the instructions on your iPhone. You can select your main SIM card for the default line, and for the mobile data you can choose your activated eSIM. Again, it's your own choice. As for the cellular plan labels, you can simply label your new activated eSIM by simply clicking on it, and then you can choose any one of these names, or you can also add your custom label. So that's the way of how you can activate your Mint Mobile eSIM.